When and why should you consider having an inspection done prior to listing your home on the market? In our area, it's customary for the buyer to pay for inspections, but when would it be advantageous for a seller to do them prior to going active? We don't always recommend this, but there are a few examples as to why having an inspection done prior to listing is helpful. It can end up saving you time and money. Hi, I'm Gloria Miller, Associate Broker at People First Realty Group with Real Broker. As a seller, you want to be aware of the condition of your property, and we don't want any unexpected costs to come up that you were not aware of. We have seen termite inspections well over $50,000. Imagine getting a termite bill for $50,000, and the only way the buyer will buy the home is if it's fixed or paid for. But you've already purchased another home, and you need that $50,000 for your next home. This would create a huge problem. What about this? Let's say that you find out that the home you're selling needed a new roof or an air conditioning unit to be replaced. You could do a few things: sell the home as is and disclose the issues, not sell at all, or take what needs to be done and fix it. The idea behind getting inspections done prior, there are no unexpected surprises that could financially hurt you later. We want the seller to be aware of any conditions that could possibly arise from the sale of the home. The inspections we recommend are the standard customary inspections that a buyer would do. We recommend a home inspection, a roof inspection, and a termite inspection. In most cases, you have the option to pay for these upfront or when escrow closes. In regards to the home inspection and termite, it's helpful but not mandatory to make sure all of the health and safety items are fixed, as well as Section 1 termite work, which includes dry rot, leaks, and of course termites, as these are very common requests that the buyers have. Termite inspections are actually mandatory for veterans with the VA loans. Getting the inspections done helps the seller because they have more assurance that they will actually net what it is that they thought they were going to in escrow. It gives them peace of mind that the buyer won't ask for any unreasonable or outlandish repairs. It also cuts down on inspection times. Having inspections done prior also protects the seller if they have a replacement property to purchase and need every penny out of the sale to secure and close on their new home. Also, the buyer is more confident that they are buying a sound home that is in move-in ready condition. As mentioned earlier, some loan programs require for health and safety, as well as Section 1 termite work to be completed prior to closing of escrow. So with that already being completed, there is further assurance that the loan will go through. To wrap it up, this gives the seller, the buyer, and the lender more confidence through the entire transaction that the home will actually close. It keeps everyone safe during and after the close of escrow. As always, this is Gloria Miller with People First Realty Group, where we put people over profits.